Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Keira from Princess and the Popstar on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. Pretty simple. You do need a few Roblox items for this to kind of work. For the hair, I just used this hair. I did adjust it just a little bit, Y.51 and Z.51. Colored it this color, B446AB and Z732D60. Then I used this necklace in this gold color, E1A35F and F07896 in foil. Then I used this necklace in that same gold and pink combo color. Positioned it at Y.56, Z.52, rotated it at X.61 and scaled it to 0.38. For the belt, I used the VIP belt. I am going to make it a little bit more darker blue, A8FF3, and then DEDE for the rest. Adjusted it at Y.67, Z.46, and rotated it at X.65 and scaled it to 0.28. For the outfit, we're going to use this top in the full length option. We're going to color it this color, E84FF, sorry. Like so. And then for the skirt, we're going to use that Robux item. This one. In this color, I think, C9C58AA in a metallic color. And then this one, I'm going to do this blue, 799CC1 in glitter. And then I'm going to choose this purple, 8417CD. And then for the boots, I'm going to use this one. You don't have to use the exact same boots that I have on, of course, but it just looks the most similar to the movie. And then for the skirt, I'm going to add more. I'm going to add this one in the fourth toggle in that same color in metallic as well. Then we are going to get the microphone in just this color in glitter. And then I'm also going to get the headband here in just white in glitter for both toggles. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.